back at the Motocross of Nations here in Latvia this year. It'll be the 8th year I'm representing Team Great Britain, and favourite race of the year, favourite race of all time.
It's always fun coming back to Europe. I mean, this is where my international career started, and the biggest, probably saddest thing is actually not coming back and getting to see Ellen and Jan de Groot. A lot of people that were on the team, I still get to see them, and you know, the truck that I was in, you know, I still see it here with KRT. So yeah, I mean, it's always fun to come back to Europe. I'm back on the Kawi, try to get another moto win.
It's always a special race. It's always a special feeling, you know, like to see a French flag, and those guys do some miles, some kilometers to come over and see us.
You know, I always want to do well. I want to do my best. I want to perform better than I performed all year. And British that have come over here to support, they put a lot of effort in to get here. So to give a little back and to get a good result is going to mean a lot.
The fans just love it. They're so into it, and it pumps us up. You know, we're going to give it 110%. Just a good atmosphere, and the fans are just slamming pints over the fence, and
you can't put word on this feeling. We had a really good atmosphere, you know, between Ferrandis and Frossard. Frossard is a little shy. Ferrandis, we call him like le jeune, the kid. You know, it's more like really he wants it. You know, he lives for motocross, and he's just getting crazy because of that race. It's a dream for him to ride here.
All the riders are Kawasaki racer. I think it's only the first time we had a team like this. It's perfect. Different sensation than a normal race. Like here, you ride for your country, and you know that all your country are looking for you for the best result, and I'm really excited about this.
It's a really special race, and we are 110% ready for it, for sure.
Very strong team this year, and I'm very happy for everybody, for me, for my team, for all the fans.
Just happy everyone's here, my friends are here, and I've won nothing in a long time, like a really long time, so it's nice to win.